Just look at these incredible transformations. How the right haircut can completely redefine a man's look. Hollywood stars and top models spend thousands on stylists who meticulously match cuts to their face shape. The good news? You don't need a celebrity budget or stylist. With a few simple steps, you can zero in on the ideal cut for your face and even use smart tricks to boost your style. In this guide, we'll walk through exactly how to do it, with proven tips from experts. Determine your face shape. First, measure and compare your face. Take a clear selfie or stand in front of a mirror with your hair pushed back. Note these key measurements: your face length, hairline to chin, and widths at the forehead, cheekbones, and jaw. Then identify which dimensions dominate. For example, oval. Face length is noticeably greater than width, with a forehead only slightly wider than the chin. Round width and length are almost the same, and the chin is round. Square. All measurements are roughly equal, and you have a very defined, angular jawline. Rectangle, xiangtri. Oblong. Your face is much longer than it is wide, with straight, parallel sides. Heart-shaped. You have a broad forehead and narrow, pointy chin. Diamond. Cheekbones are the widest part, with a narrower forehead and chin. If you're between categories, just pick the closest match. Most men are oval or square. Knowing your shape gives you a roadmap for flattering cuts. 2. Know your hair texture and thickness. Your best haircut also depends on how your hair behaves. Broadly, hair falls into 3 textures. Straight hair lies flat against the scalp and naturally reflects a lot of shine. It's smooth and easy to style any way you like. Wavy hair forms loose S-shaped waves or gentle bends. It has more body than straight hair and holds styles with texture. Curly hair naturally spirals or coils, forming distinct ringlets. Curly hair has volume and bounce. Also, check your hair thickness. Density. Take a small lock of hair and look at your scalp. If you see a lot of skin, you have thin, fine hair. If you barely see the scalp, your hair is thick, coarse. Why it matters: thick, wavy, or curly hair can handle big, full styles, whereas fine, straight hair usually looks best with shorter sides or lighter texture on top. For example, very thin hair often benefits from a buzz cut or neat crop, while thick hair can rock fuller pompadours or layered cuts. 3. The secret rule: balance your face's thirds. Professional stylists often use an artistic rule of thirds for faces. Divide your face vertically into 3 equal zones: forehead to brows, brows to nose bottom, nose to chin. Ideally, each section is similar in height for a harmonious look. You can adjust your hairstyle and facial hair to even out these proportions. Upper third, too large. A tall forehead or receding hairline. Cover part of the forehead with bangs or a short fringe, like a textured crop. This visually shortens the top section. Upper third too small. If your forehead is low or chin large, add height above with a pompadour or slicked back style. This stretches the top third upward. Middle third. Too long. A long nose to brow section? Don't hide your forehead. Instead, let your beard grow longer or fuller. A well-shaped beard pulls the eye downward and balances a long middle section. Lower third, chin. Too big, a very prominent jaw at chin. Keep hair on top medium to long. More volume on top draws eyes up. And keep the beard or goatee very short or faded. That avoids emphasizing the chin. Lower third, chin. Too small. A weak chin. Go for a low to medium top style, like a French crop. And grow a controlled beard or goatee to add definition to the jawline. The beard adds weight to a narrow chin. In short, offset any uneven facial section by adding volume or coverage where needed. Keeping those thirds in balance instantly makes your face look more symmetrical and attractive. 4. Pick a flattering cut and trending styles. Now combine your face shape and hair facts to choose a style. Here are some proven guidelines. Oval faces, lucky you, most haircuts work. You can safely try a textured crop, a slicked back undercut, a classic pompadour, a crew cut, even longer styles. Just avoid something that adds too much height, which can make your face look even longer. Square faces. Show off that strong jaw. Good options include a low fade with a side part, a textured quiff, or even a buzz cut. These styles keep lines clean while softening angles. Avoid cuts that are too boxy or flat on top, which can make a square face look blockier. Round faces. You need height and angles. Aim for hairstyles that add volume on top and tight sides, e.g., a faux hawk, quiff, pompadour, or high fade. These styles elongate your face. Short textured crops with a bit of lift also work. Steer clear of flat bangs or sides that emphasize width. Rectangular oblong faces. Your face is longer than wide, so avoid extra height. Medium-length cuts with volume at sides and some fringe are ideal. A classic side part or brushed back style, not too tall, works well. Beware of super high fades or pompadours that make you look too elongated. Diamond, heart faces. These have a narrow forehead or chin. Add width at the forehead. Try fringes or side-swept bangs or layered cuts that create fullness around the temples. For example, a layered crop or textured shag adds balance. Hair tucked behind the ears can also frame the chin nicely. Avoid styles that place all volume on top, which can exaggerate a long, narrow face. Trending hairstyles. If you want something in fashion, consider these cuts, which can often be tailored to your face and hair type. Layered cut. Great for straight or wavy hair. Layers add texture and movement. Tell your barber you want long layers on top, short sides. Layers can suit any face if placed correctly, e.g. a longer bang for a heart, diamond face or more volume on top for round faces. Modern mullet. Yes, the mullet is back in a refined form. The modern mullet features short, often faded sides with longer, textured hair at the back. It's bold and edgy, but surprisingly wearable. According to hairstyle experts, the modern mullet looks great on many face shapes. Round faces get height, angular faces get softened structure. If you like to stand out, ask for a mullet with a fade or a wolf cut, a shaggy layered mullet. Other ideas. Other versatile styles include a textured crop, short choppy top plus faded sides, a fade or undercut with a styled top, or a slicked back taper. The key is picking one that matches your face and hair type. For instance, very thin hair often fares better with shorter cuts and fades, while thick curly hair might suit a longer top with a soft taper. So bonus hack, your AI hairstylist. Here's an ultra-easy shortcut, use AI. As a Tom's Guide article points out, you can actually snap a selfie and ask ChatGPT for hairstyle advice. For example, take a clear front photo, hair off your face, and upload it to ChatGPT's image Josh chat mode. First ask, what is my face shape? Then follow with, recommend 3 to 5 specific haircuts for my face shape and hair type, or even specify your preferences. ChatGPT can suggest cuts just like a pro stylist, even noting how each style frames your face. It can also factor in your lifestyle, e.g., I prefer low-maintenance styles. This AI trick won't replace a visit to a barber, but it's a powerful way to get personalized ideas instantly. Finding the right haircut is easier than you think. Determine your face shape, consider your hair's texture and thickness, and apply these expert rules. Follow these steps and you'll leave the barber's chair looking transformed and confident. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell to catch all our styling tips in the future.